we'll be learning how to create a chart with RootsMagic. The first thing we'll do is go to the upper left hand corner and click Reports, and then from the drop down you will click Charts and Wall Charts from there. And then a pop-up box will appear once we've clicked that. And this is where we can change any of the settings or things to include in our chart. So the box that says Data to Include, we'll click on that, and then another box will appear and we can add any information that you want on the chart. So we have birth, death, and marriage. Those are the three most common ones. And then you'll define that value with a B:, D:, M:, and then click OK. After that, we will click Boxes, which is where you can change the size of the boxes. So we want to change the height to make it a little taller because there's more information to include on our chart. And then if you click Generate Report, it will create that chart for you. And if you notice any white spaces on your chart, you can remove those, but then also if there's more information that needs to be included on your box, you can pull your box down to include that information or move it up to remove any white space on your boxes. So typically there will be some boxes that have more white space than others, and then some boxes that actually are missing. Some of the information is cut off, and so you actually have to pull those down to include that. Next, you can change the font or the format of the title by right-clicking and clicking Properties, and then we'll change it to a larger font and a little bit more decorative of a font for this chart. So if you click OK, it'll apply that to the chart. Then if you go to the left-hand corner, there's a box right there that you can click, and that will zoom your chart out. If you click Layout, Canvas Size, you can see how big your chart is. And this is important when we're uploading it to FamilyChartMasters.com. You need to know the canvas size. Then you can click the magnifying glass and zoom into your chart, and then we will save it in the left-hand corner where the floppy disk is and save it as the file name that we need. And then to upload that to Family ChartMasters, you will go back to your family tree, and then you'll click Reports, and at the bottom you'll go to printmychart.com and click Order and Submit My Chart, and then you can upload your file from RootsMagic. Your RootsMagic chart file will upload, and then this is where it's important to know the chart size. So we'll put 15 by 63, and then it will show the different prices for each different kind of paper that you have. Then you'll put in your email and if you have any special instructions, and then continue to submit your billing information. And that is how you create a custom chart with RootsMagic.